Hello, welcome back to AmFed 2. Tesla has announced their factory in India. So the mobility sector, the auto sector is so excited to welcome Elon Musk and the Tesla factory to India. And all watching, fingers crossed, which state is going to get a chance to host the factory. So, taking the trend, it is said that Tamilnadu has a better chance to get the opportunity. Let's analyze what could be the reasons.
And invited Elon Musk to invest and bring Tesla into Tamil Nadu. Remember, Tesla's office opened in a neighboring state of Karnataka, but now you've got Tamil Nadu also joining the list of states that are actively serenading and wooing Elon Musk.
Tamil Nadu is known as the Detroit of India. The same city in US where the car manufacturing industries are concentrated. The same trend Tamil Nadu could follow in the last 2 decades. We all know that Maruti Suzuki or Maruti was the major or the only leading automotive manufacturer in India earlier. But it all began in 1990s when India adopted the open door policy, the liberalization policy in welcoming foreign investment. So in that context, when Ford has approached India for opening up a factory, Tamil Nadu has spread the red carpet and welcomed Ford company with a very throwaway price for acres of land in Chennai. In Chennai, there is a place called Maraimeli Nagar. Now it is a very good automotive hub with leading manufacturers and also auto ancillary component manufacturers. So similar way, Tamil Nadu could develop number of auto hubs including Hosur, Sriperumbudur, Oragadam and smaller cities like Ranipet, so and so forth. Now, when EV revolution is happening, again, Tamil Nadu has taken up a major step in floating an EV policy, and also places like Krishnagiri is being identified as an EV zone. So these kind of initiatives have largely attracted mobility or automotive manufacturers, including EV manufacturers. Just take the recent developments. Recently, the Vietnam automaker VinFast, they started their factory setup in Thoothukudi, another city in Tamil Nadu. VinFast has announced 2 billion investment in Tamil Nadu. Similar lines in the recent global investors meet, Tata Motors has offered 9,000 crore investment in Tamil Nadu for the EV segment.
Tata Motors on March 13th announced that it had signed a memorandum of understanding with the Tamil Nadu government for setting up a vehicle manufacturing facility in the state. In a regulatory filing, the company said that the MOU envisaged an investment of around 9,000 crore rupees over the next 5 years and would help create up to 5,000 direct and indirect jobs. Tamil Nadu Industries Minister TRV Raja took to X. He wrote, and I quote, "Another $1 billion investment comes into Tamil Nadu. Tata Motors and the government of Tamil Nadu are revving up for an epic journey. In the presence of our Honorable Chief Minister N.K. Stalin, Tata Motors signed an MOU with the government of Tamil Nadu to establish a vehicle manufacturing facility, committing an investment of rupees 9,000 crores. The teams from Tata Motors and Guidance, Tamil Nadu's nodal agency for investment promotion and facilitation, will work together to take this plan forward after the signing of the MOU. This would be Tata Motors' second plant in South India. The company already has a manufacturing unit in Dharwad, Karnataka. However, it did not specify what vehicles would be made at the proposed facility in Tamil Nadu. It may be noted that on February 25th, Chief Minister N.K. Stalin had laid the foundation stone for an electric vehicle, car and battery manufacturing facility of VinFast Auto. The firm had earmarked investments to the tune of 16,000 crore rupees in the state after it signed an MOU with the state government to set up the plant during the maiden edition of the Global Investors Meet by the DMK government in January. Industry analysts and sources also mentioned that the now defunct Ford manufacturing plant in Chennai was also on the negotiation table with the Tata Motors. But Ford Motors had halted the sale of the plant, fueling speculations that the company might make an India comeback. So, what do you think of Tata Motors' investments in Tamil Nadu? Please let us know in the comment section and stay tuned to LiveMed for more such updates.
So let's again go back to the previous or the past happening, how Tamil Nadu could emerge as a Detroit of India. As we have seen post 1990, there was an open door policy. When automakers started coming, the government started supporting by giving the land. The same line has been followed, but from 2010 onwards, Tamil Nadu has faced a very major crisis in terms of power deficit, and the same power deficit and other crisis and bureaucracy was affecting the industry prospects of the state. Many automakers started thinking twice or thrice before starting up an initiative there. That also affected the auto ancillary industries. But from 2014 onwards, the state had announced an auto policy which was largely encouraging the OEMs and also the supporting Tier 1, Tier 2 manufacturers. So we have seen the developments in various townships like Aragadam, Sri Perumbutur, Gumidipundi, Hosur and similar lines. So not just OEMs like Hyundai, Renault, Nissan, Ashok Leyland, TVS, we can see many OEMs in the state, and also the development centers like Mahindra Research Valley. So along with that, major OEMs officers, surely there are developments from the supporting companies who are competent manufacturers or the service providers for the automotive industries. See, when we visit Sri Perumbutur, we can see the Hyundai factory, and along with that, many South Korean companies also started their outlets in the same place to support the OEM by giving the right component. So similar lines, when EV manufacturing or EV boom is happening, the state has declared an EV policy which is promoting the township Krishnagiri and the nearby places by facilitating more EV design, development, manufacturing activities.
The Ola Future Factory is spread over 500 acres of land in Pochampalli, town of Krishnanagar district in Tamil Nadu. The first phase of the factory was constructed in 11 months. Currently, it can produce up to 1,000 electric scooters every day on a single assembly line. Annual production will hit 2 million units on the full ramp up with 3 lines in the factory. The factory will have a terminal capacity of 10 million units, making it the world's largest two-wheeler facility, accounting for roughly 1 of every 7 two-wheelers sold worldwide. Proprietary AI engine and technology stacks power the factory. It currently has 60 autonomous mobile robots, which will be increased to 600 at full capacity. The future factory has a carbon negative footprint and uses zero liquid discharge technology, saving over 462 liters of water every day. It also reutilizes 27% of the total waste generated. 73% of the waste is recyclable. The Ola Future Factory also have 100 acres of forest cover, with 2 acres inside the assembly block. With nearly 2,000 women, it is the world's largest women-only factory. At full capacity, it will have 10,000 women working in the factory. Currently, the factory produces a scooter every minute, and at full capacity, it will do the same in 2 seconds. The 3.97 kWh lithium-ion NMC battery of the S1 Pro scooter has a thermal conductive layer casing, with the cells connected through wire bonding technology. The battery is designed to operate at a temperature up to 60 degrees and have been extreme tested at 17 degrees. The battery management system of the scooter has 25 sensors and uses 2 computers for thermal management. It can isolate the cell from the system in 100 microseconds to minimize the chances of thermal runaway. There are 224 cells in each battery pack, sourced from LG Chem of South Korea. In addition, it conducts 25 short and long-term tests for cell stability. Ola has plans to set up battery cell manufacturing plant of its own in India with a capacity of 600 gigawatt-hour.
So with these developments, let's wait and watch if Tamil Nadu is going to make another major investment from Tesla for their factory after US and Germany. So stay tuned for more updates on auto sector with Amphatu. Thank you so much.